News, brought to you by...
With Sagicor Life, you have access to affordable life, critical illness, hospital indemnity, and health insurance. Coverage for all. Care for you.
Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The government is being strategic. That defense from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness this evening amidst public backlash over news that his administration is yet to spend over $1 billion in hurricane relief funds. The Prime Minister also announced that the money will be used to buy prefabricated containers for those left homeless by the storm. He was speaking today at a National Labour Day project in St. Elizabeth. Jamaica Maitland reports.
The Auditor General come out and said, well, the money is there, but they didn't spend it fast enough. You see the context now? The money was stolen. The money is there.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness at the Lewistown Early Childhood Institution in St. Elizabeth, one of the National Labour Day projects. But he also laboured on another issue, the $1.4 billion in relief funds donated for victims of Hurricane Melissa. Dr. Holness says the funds will be used to help those left homeless by the hurricane.
The government of China has given us some. The Ministry of Housing has purchased some, and I believe it's the Red Cross that is giving us some as well. So we may get up to about 3,000 units, these modular units. And we are building a small community in Westmoreland to facilitate those persons who were being housed at the Petersfield shelter.
2,500 prefabricated container homes will be purchased. He says 900 of them are already in Jamaica, and many beneficiaries have already been selected. In defending his government's management of relief efforts, Dr. Holness outlined the strategy.
So the funding that is donated will be used to support the establishment of the bases. Because the people who are going to get them, can they build the base themselves? No. So isn't that the best use of the money? Yes. That it is there, will last them for 10, 15 years, other than to just go spend it out and then you don't know where it went or what benefit it gave.
Being strategic.
Think, Jamaica, think.
But according to the Auditor General's report, there was no expenditure, drafted or otherwise provided, for what the government planned to do with the money. At least none that was provided to the auditing team at the time in February 2026. Dr. Holness now says the audit was done before a decision was made.
So when this audit came out, we had already taken that decision, but the performance audit, the real-time audit, didn't take the policy directive that was given into account. It just made a statement which you all took. Government wasn't being inefficient. The government was being very strategic and very efficient.
The Prime Minister was unable to say when the new homes will be ready, adding that it will take some time. The 2026 Atlantic hurricane season begins in a few days on June 1. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.